Hey everyone, JP Hunt from InkSoft here, and in this short video I want to call your attention to a new and free marketing tool from InkSoft. This is called the Ultimate Sales and Marketing Guide for Branded Merchandise. Now what this consists of is 227 pages of professionally crafted and copywritten marketing messaging designed to help you generate new sales opportunities. Now, in fact, this is a roundup of 18 of our marketing kits. And we started producing these marketing kits immediately as COVID-19 became a thing, realizing that our clients would need as much support and help as possible to be able to pivot and sort of navigate through a very challenging marketplace. So let me explain what a marketing kit is, and then I'm going to show you how to take full advantage of this marketing guide. So really a marketing kit is sort of a go-to-market plan, so we kind of lay out the strategy, but more importantly is we give you turnkey marketing messaging. So we had our marketing team, we have really talented copywriters on the team, write professional email messaging, social media messaging, general website copy and calls to action that will allow you to quickly go to market to promote and market your products and services. So here we are in the Ultimate Sales and Marketing Guide for Branded Merchandise. You'll notice as I scroll through this is a PDF, again, 227 pages. What I want to draw your attention to is the table of contents. And you can see here how many different sales opportunities are possible with this guide. So everything from school spirit, back to school, sports programs, team and fan, everything from face masks to how to, do programs for healthcare workers, fundraising opportunities, fulfillment programs. There are so many different opportunities here, and we guarantee if you download this and put it to action, you will get new sales results. Now I want to point out that in the table of contents, if you click on a section, of course you can navigate directly to that section, and there you'll have all of the copy and tools that are available. So for example, here's email messaging. We give you recommended subject lines. And we also give you different versions of messaging for different audiences. So if you're trying to pitch a school, maybe the school staff, the PTO members, you want to pitch and present your fundraising capabilities and online store capabilities. Well, here is very specific and targeted messaging that you can copy, paste, and deploy. Now, I want to call out, as you're using this guide, we would encourage you to, of course, modify and tweak the messaging to adapt to your brand guidelines, maybe the voice that you want to project. So feel free to take this as a professional starting point, but it's up to you to modify it to meet the voice and tone of your unique business. So we're really excited to be able to deliver this. And again, this is a roundup of 18 marketing kits that we have authored. I suspect if you were to put your team to task with creating this, knowing all the resources that we applied, it would take forever to develop something like this. So by all means, certainly take action and download this today. We'd love to hear your feedback and share examples of how you're deploying this marketing guide and getting results. We'd love to hear from you. So make sure to zap us any kind of feedback you have, contact@inksoft.com. Now, I also want to point out, by registering for this guide, you'll get immediate access to download the guide, but you'll also be notified of future and forthcoming marketing kits. So we're already looking at new and exciting marketing kits for year end, but more importantly, for marketing kits that will help you be more successful in the new year in 2022. So really excited about this. And again, we're eager to hear your feedback and the results that you get from this free marketing tool. Just head over to inksoft.com, and you'll notice at the very top of inksoft.com, there's a button, and it'll draw your attention directly to registering and accessing this guide immediately.